All right, I did it again. I bought a Vault box. So let's see how badly I did this time. It is VaultBox Series 7. They have all this great stuff on the back here that I could get. Doubt if I'll get any of it, but yeah, all the good stuff there I could get. But so we got it still sealed here. Oh, could this be? No. 1962 Benjamin Franklin. Yeah. All right. Hold on just 1 second. I'm going to go check and see what they're offering online for this. All right, I checked it out. Let's put it down here so you can get a good look at it. It's a nice looking coin. They say the instant offer is $180, which makes it the most expensive VaultBox coin I have. But I seem to be having a good collection of VaultBox coins that are worth less than half of what I paid. So it's a gamble, and I guess like most people, I ended up on the wrong end of it. So, well, that's it. Short, to the point. I'll put it here with the other VaultBox coins I have. Yep. Guess I can just do it like that. Those are the three I have now. Unfortunately, the $half is worth more than the other two. I think they said this one's worth 125, this one's worth 80 or 90, and this one's worth 180. So fun. Hope y'all did better than I did. Good luck with all your other huntings.